So I want to see if it's possible for me to build a custom GPT using ChatGPT and embed this on my website, because I want it to manage customer concerns. Here I've got an FAQ document for my software company, so it understands a lot of the information about my business. It's got custom instructions on how I want it to behave, but for example, maybe I want this to manage customer concerns, or I want this to be a sales chatbot, or I want to use this, for example, in my e-learning course that's going to answer questions from my students. Well, unfortunately, with a custom GPT, you can't do this. You also can't see messages that people are sending to the chatbots. You also can't do things like analyze those messages and update and make changes to your website based off the customer interactions. So there's a lot of data that we could be gathering using these GPTs from our customers, but at the moment with OpenAI we're not able to do that. Also, the data that we give them is being used to train the chatbots further, so we maybe don't want to be giving our information to OpenAI. So what do we do? Well, if you come to our website ChatIQ, you can actually automate customer interactions with AI agents, which basically allows you to create your own custom GPTs that will be trained on your own data. You can scrape your website. You can use that information to create chatbots which are going to sell your customers. So you can have a sales chatbot, you can have an onboarding chatbot, you can have an HR chatbot, you can have a customer service chatbot which will answer questions. For example, this one, what is ChatIQ and how can it help me? It's telling me specifically what it is. It's a you can create customer service agents specifically designed to increase conversion rates on websites and turn traffic into customers. So this chatbot is designed as a sales chatbot. It's trying to tell people the benefits of our software, and it's trying to get those people to sign up. It's also giving them a list of pricing and letting them know that there is a 14-day free trial to test out the software. Once I come into the chatbot and I build my own chatbot, you can see down here on the left I've got a list of all the data that I've uploaded. Now this data doesn't have to be used in a chatbot, but I can have it there ready to use whenever I want. I can pick and choose whichever data that I want and build a chatbot. I can build multiple different chatbots. You can see down here each one of these is trained on a different amount of data, and each one of these has got a different prompt. So for example, this one is an if-else emotional understanding chatbot, and I'll show you what that means. Down here on the left we have a prompt library, which if I go to, we've got different categories of prompts, and these are public prompts created by myself or other users. So for you, most likely you're looking for a customer service chatbot. I can use one of these prompts in my own private library. Now when you get started you'll have a prompt that you can use, which is just a general customer service prompt, but I do recommend you have a look at these and play around and create your own. So here we have an emotional understanding prompt, which is going to understand if a customer is angry or if they're happy. If they're happy, it will recommend a Trustpilot link. If they're angry, it will recommend a Calendly link to talk to the sales team. So if I come to my chatbots, for example, here is an example question I've asked it. I said, you've ripped me off, I want a refund. It's then going to go ahead and recommend that I talk to the sales team, and it's going to give me a Calendly link to do that. I then also said I want to cancel my subscription. It's understanding that it's going to read this information here. In this PDF document there isn't any information about cancelling the subscription, so it's just going to tell me to talk to the sales team, and it's managing human handoff. So there's a lot that I can get it to do. I can also see what messages people are sending to my chatbots. So for example, if I go to the main chatbot, I can see 467 people have messaged this chatbot. So I'm getting a lot of messages to my chatbots on my website. I can see what people are messaging it. So for example, what is ChatIQ and how can it help me? That is this question here. And then seeing this person says, how much does it cost? Again, that is this question here. So for example, if in your business people are asking common questions like, how long is the battery life of this product, or what is the cost, or how can I set this thing up, you can actually read through these conversations and see what people are asking the most and make changes on your website based off that information. We are bringing out a lot of updates which will help you with this process and streamline this for you. For now, you can read all of the messages as well, and you can swap between different chatbots, and you can see what people are messaging on that chatbot as well. The other great thing is once you've got a load of prompts in your account, let's say for example we've built the main chatbot here and it's currently built using a sales chatbot prompt. If we want to, we can actually swap out this prompt in our backend, and we can then see what happens live on our website. That chatbot will now change instantly to be using a new prompt. So for example, here it's actually telling the user to go to the website app.chatiq.ai to create an account. Maybe we've changed that link. We can actually go ahead and swap out the prompt, or we can edit this prompt to make sure that link has been changed, which means wherever that chatbot is on whatever website, that will be changed automatically for them. The other option is if we're building multiple chatbots maybe for clients and we've got a prompt that works, we can actually use that chatbot prompt across multiple chatbots. So for example, the interface is using the interface prompt, but the main bot is using the if-else sales prompt. The widget is using the if-else single phase. Well, maybe we want all of them to be using the exact same prompt. Where is it, sales bot? Now we can swap all of these over and click save and update every single one of those chatbots to be using those prompts. What if, for example, we have a chatbot on our website and we want that chatbot to reference more data? Maybe we've uploaded more information and we've made some changes. Well, you can see here we've got all the knowledge that this chatbot's currently referencing. If we want, we can view the PDF and make sure that information is still up to date. If it's not, we can come into our knowledge base and we can select more data for that chatbot to use, or we can go ahead and remove the data. For example, here I've got a duplicate. I'm going to remove that one. You can see here the data that it's using for its reference as well. I can always come back to my data feed, and if I'm reaching my word count limit, I can actually delete the data from my chatbot. It's going to tell me how much data I'm deleting. Let's close that. So there's a lot of different things that you can do within your chatbot. If we come back to settings, we can also change the language that our chatbot responds in and the language that it's understanding as well. So, if you want to get started, you can go ahead and click the top link down below. It will take you to our website. Just click on Get Started for free. It will then take you to a page where you can create your own account. Just give it your full name, email address. You have to create a username and then your password. In the next step, you're going to be asked to start building your chatbot. So we'll walk you through the build to make sure you fully understand how the software works. There's actually a video here which will explain it in more detail if you need any extra help. So you can see here we can actually upload a first PDF document. Once we've done that, it's then going to ask us to build our first chatbot. And for you, when you get started, it will only show you one PDF document that you've uploaded. Then it's going to show you how you can customize it. So you can give your chatbot a name, which none of your customers will be able to see, but it's for you to be able to find them. You can update the prompt. Now, when you're getting started, it will just give you an example prompt. When you're in your dashboard, you can actually swap that out with a different one. If you need any help, you can always ask a ChatIQ bot in the account. Here we've got the settings where you can actually change the greeting message. Once that's done, it will build your chatbot. It will show you the chatbot's been built, the amount of data it's trained on, and the language that it's using. All chatbots are default set to English, but if you want to, you can change that in settings later. Then if you want to get started using your chatbot, you can go ahead and visit your dashboard and sign up for a free trial for 2 weeks, which you can always manage within your account. If you've got any questions at all about ChatIQ, leave them down below in the comments. I can always make you another video. Or actually, to be fair, if you've got any features or requests that you would like to see in any further updates, also let me know and I will do a video on that as well.